Hey everyone, I've got a really quick tech tip for how to make Velcro stick better to your holsters. A lot of you are putting wedges on your holsters, and some of you discover that with a little bit of, maybe body heat and sweat, the adhesive on the Velcro starts to move around or come off the holster. This is my process for how to stick Velcro to the holster that I've been using for more than 10 years, and it works awesome every single time. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take an alcohol prep pad and we are going to clean the area of the holster where we want the Velcro to stick. Right? We're going to clean that off and we're going to let it dry. You want to get your body grease and oils and anything else that's on the holster out of there. The second thing we're going to do is we're going to take our Velcro and we're going to trim it to fit the area where we're applying it. We don't want, for instance, the edge of the Velcro to stick past, a particular curve or flat surface of the holster where it could get caught and peel off over time. So we're going to manicure our Velcro a little bit. And I am using the word Velcro because it's Velcro, not just, destroying their trademark or anything. So we're going to trim this to fit the area of application a little bit better. All right, so we're going to make it a little narrower. Right, boom, boom, clean that up, trim that down, and then we're going to peel off the backer. Here's the important part. You'll see that this holster is covered in a surface texture, right? Very fine surface texture. What I want to do is I want to heat up this adhesive layer, now that we've removed the protective film, so that it flows really nicely into all of the little crevices of the holster. You can use a heat gun on low or a hair dryer on high. And if you'll watch this, we're going to let it heat up.
You're not heating the holster, correct?
No, absolutely do not heat the holster with a heat gun. That will change your holster. And you'll be able to see the adhesive change a little bit as you heat it up. It'll get a little gooier. You're going to want to pay attention to it, and don't burn yourself. Like I'm burning myself, but I've done this 1,000 times. So what's missing fingerprints between friends, right? So that's gooier. That's a little more flexible. Set that down on a surface where you won't burn anything, and then you apply your Velcro to the area that you've cleaned, and you press it on nice and evenly. There we go. And then don't stick anything else to it for a few hours. You want to let it set up. It'll be, once you start sticking stuff to it and pulling the Velcro wedges off of your holster, you're not giving the adhesive enough time to set. Just give it a little while, maybe a couple hours. I've never really waited all that long. I don't give it like 24 hours or anything. Maybe just, half hour to an hour. That should be plenty. And I have holsters that I put Velcro on back in, like 2012 that still have it on there. So this is a really good process. Clean, heat your Velcro, slap it on, don't mess with it, and then you're good to go.